Offered in a variety of styles and sizes for your installation needs. Manufactured from aluminized steel for durability. Dimensions: inlet 2.5, outlet 2.5, overall length 4. For use in connecting exhaust pipe and/or tubing. Burr-free construction for proper fitment. Walker supplies all of the accessories you need to do the complete exhaust job. Walker, with our worldwide OE partnerships and manufacturing facilities, possesses the technical excellence needed to meet today's emissions control needs, while developing solutions for tomorrow's challenges. Walker is a one-stop convenience, offering complete engine-to-tailpipe coverage of replacement emissions control systems and components for popular domestic and import vehicles in broadmarket, performance, and commercial vehicle applications. Walker delivers optimal OE-style fit, appearance, and dependability in aftermarket emissions control parts. Top reviews from the United States. Very useful for a DIY exhaust. Not only useful in connecting two pieces of exhaust, but it also allows you to add a little of angle to your build. Using this is way easier than butt welding two pieces of pipe too.